which was done earlier. So the evolution of ADAS started from, it was started by someone called Ralph Teeter. He invented the modern cruise control. So he initially called it as speedostat. So what's this cruise control? So we know that there is something called a cruising speed, where the vehicle's efficiency is the highest. So when the vehicle is cruising, it reaches a certain speed where the efficiency of that engine is good, and also it is safer for the road as well. So what happens is, uh, let's say if it is a very long road and you have to travel this entire distance, you might start getting sore on your foot. So your feet might start becoming numb, or it can feel start to pain. Yeah. So to avoid that, what happens is there is something called cruise control. So this cruise control, what it does is, uh, when the cruise control is turned on, the speed is maintained, and you just have to steer the vehicle. So it just follows the same speed, and you'll have to just steer it in the direction where it has to go. So there are different types of ADAS. ADAS is not a singular concept. It involves multiple technologies. So basically, we can split into, categorize this into two types, as in passive ADAS systems and active ADAS systems. So in passive ADAS systems, the computer alerts the driver to a dangerous circumstance despite the number of kinds of sensor deploys. So what this means is that, um, the system ADA system, it does not automatically adjust according to the danger signal that it has identified. It alerts the driver, and the driver has to make the proper corrections or changes to make it, in order to have a safe journey, safe driving experience. So some of the examples for the warning systems are like sirens, the lights flickering, turning on, or maybe like you'll get some haptic feedback, like some vibration going on your steering wheels to alert you, or some lights blinking and turning on, or some tactile input. So these are some of the things that can bring the attention of the driver. That can gain the attention of the driver and ask them to avoid this dangerous situation. In active ADAS systems, what it does is the vehicle takes its own action based on the perceived dangerous circumstance. So some of the parts that are involved in active ADAS systems are automatic emergency braking, that we have discussed earlier, anti-lock braking system as well. It detects that when there is an impending accident, the brakes are applied even without uh, I mean, uh, the driver is not alerted. It applies automatically. So there are other things like, so what the initial thing called the adaptive cruise control. Initially, it was just normal cruise control where it takes the. There is a particular speed where that is maintained. Now it is adaptive based on the roads and situation. That is lane keeping assistant, or lane following. So it has to follow the lane. So the lane is not so, the if the car is so big, yeah, then it occupies the entire lane. But and other added part to that is, it keeps the lane, it follows